Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's story is going to be on how to make an off-shoulder crop top using Ankara fabric, which is going to have a rubber around the neck. So now I'll fold this into two. Now I'm going to fold this into four, like this. This is into four. So the length here is 15. I'm using 15 here. So I'm going to cut it out. Like this. So from here, my shoulder here is going to be 7. So from this 7, I told you it's an off shoulder, so I'm going to make it 4 up here. So but since this is having tape, 1 inch tape in which the rubber will go in through, so I'm going to make it 5 inch up. So the shoulder, the armhole here is 7. As you can see, I'm taking 5 up here, so the armhole is 7, and the half length is not going to have any band. It's 17. So from here, I'm going to measure the bust. The bust here is 32. So the sewing allowance is here, which is ½ inch. Now 32 there by 4, make it 8. So here I'm going to make it 28, the waist. So 28 there by 7 there by 4, make it 7. So plus the sewing allowance here. So from here, I'm going to make a slant shape, then the armhole. Then after that, I'm going to cut it out. So this is the crop top. It's an off shoulder. When you open it, this is how it's going to be. So now, the taping, the 1 inch tape, I'm going to cut it out. So with the sewing allowance, we make it 1½ inch. This is 1½ inch here. This is for the taping. So this is 1½ inch taping here. So the next thing here is the sleeve. I'm going to cut out the sleeve now. So the sleeve, I'm going to fold this into two, then into four. So for the off shoulder sleeve, the measurement I'm using here will be, with the sewing allowance, will be 10. 10 here. So from this 10, from here, I'm going to make use of 4 inches. From this 4 inches, then I'm going to curve the sleeve like this, then draw it down. I'm going to cut it out. So this is an off shoulder sleeve, which is different from other sleeve. This is going to stay at the armhole, the armpit side, and this is going to stay at the shoulder. So with the 1 inches folding, you're going to fold the sleeve like this by taping it like that. So this is the first sleeve and this is the second sleeve. The first one is going to stay here like this, and the second one is going to stay here too like that. So then the taping will go around the shoulder. So this is the end for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.